Well, CVS has got their Halloween stuff out. Ooh, I wonder if this is a light up thingy here. Oh, you are. I can feel it in there. There we go. I'm going to whack it around a bit. What do we got here? Lots of merchy stuff. Oh gosh, I love these things. They're goofball. Lots of fun stuff. I don't know really how I feel about these. They're pretty, but I don't really like pastel in that color because they look like circus peanuts. They do, and I don't like circus peanuts. Oh, they have the teal pumpkins. How nice. Lots of no crafty stuff. I swear I thought that was cheese balls. Yeah.
It'd be Slimer.
These funky furry pillow things are in. That's not Slimer. That's actually cool. How did I miss all those inflatables? But we'll get to it. Okay, so we have these crackhead Jack and Sally. It just doesn't look good. Now, if they put two in there and gave her like pigtails, I don't know. It seems funny. Lots of squishmallows. That is not a squishmallow. I don't know where it came from, but it's really cute. It's a broccoli with its brains gone out. I don't know what the things are. I don't know why there's a yellow ghost. I don't know what these are. This one's my favorite. Oh my god, look how cute that is. It's a werewolf bat thingy. Adorable. What is that? Looks like Eevee.
Guess what animal this is?
Chihuahua? No.
This is a French bulldog. What are you talking about?
No es un gato. That's cute too. These are adorable. And for $10, not bad, because you always get discounts here. Got some Harry Potter stuff. Hey, that's not Halloween. Get out of here. Oh, these are super adorable. These are says mini keychain. No, mini plush with keychain. Okay. And you can open it up. How about I actually shoot the thing? Sorry. Couldn't tell I'm sick, so I'm kind of stupid right now. Oh my god, no! She just hit that thing and it fell over. Okay, so look, I opened it up, look, it's inside. Oh my god, there's more. Open it up. Okay, let's
That would be funny.
Okay, now let's see what's in.
I want this now.
I want to see what's inside the devil.
Yeah, I know. Let me zip it back up.
What's in the devil? What do you think? Okay, wait, don't open it yet. What do you think is in the devil?
Oh, I can't look. It probably says on there.
I think it's a ghost.
Ghosty?
Well, it's gonna be Halloween related. So what was
Maybe
this one?
it's,
This was
candy corn.
So what's this?
It's a pumpkin.
Oh my god, that's so cute.
Wait, let me see.
These are super cute. $6, you turds.
Oh, the ghosty has a bat inside of it.
Oh no way! They cheated and showed us right here. Oh my gosh, that's.
I know. I was gonna look at the
cute.
tag, but then I saw that it had it on it, and I was like, oh, don't look.
I'm in so. Oh,
Zipped
you
up-
almost
I
zipped
almost
up
zipped
your
up my
hair.
Wait, I don't know which one's better. I kind of want the cat with the pumpkin one. Or
Now see, it would have been better to have the devil with the candy corn because no one likes candy corn. So.
I like candy corn.
Okay, fine. But you don't like more than a handful at a time, right?
That's true. I can only eat like 2.
And then we got some plush of them's. Gotta have Nightmare Before Christmas, you know, because that's all about Halloween. I mean, it's like, y'all, it's a Christmas movie. Stop making all Halloween about Jack and Sally, y'all. I betrayed you. It's a Christmas movie.
It was literally released in December.
Cute inflatables. Oh my god, that spider. That is so cute, actually. Trick-or-treater. Oh, well, look at that.
That's actually kind of
If
creepy.
it's 72 inches tall, that's like a mini witch.
Oh, Mom, it's a knockoff of what's his face? I'm pretty sure his name's Shorty.
Probably.
Probably. I think his name's Shorty.
Oh my god, oh my god, dude. Okay, let's see what else they got over here. They got the Skeletrons. Oh my god, no.
Oh my
$60,
God,
nuh-uh. Lots of Dia de los Muertos goodies. Look how pretty they are. I love it.
Mom, I thought I was about to have a bad day because my head started hurting and then I heard this high-pitched noise. And I was like, oh, I think I'm about to faint. No, it was that stupid magic crystal ball thing scaring the crap out of me.
Day of the Death. Oh my lord.
Did they really do that?
Oh my god. I was literally about to say, I don't know how the culture that this originates from feels about all this merch.
She's got.
No.
I mean, no offense to this, but look, she kind of
really
got
pretty.
4 cans.
Flower, crown, headband, gloves, and earring set. That's kind of cool.
Wait, look, she kind of got 4
Very
cans.
pretty. She got 4 cans?
Yeah.
Oh, fork?
Hands.
I'm like, she's got 4 cans.
Also,
4 cans of what?
There's a reason why they don't have eyes.
Wait. Okay, so that says dog, that says cat. No, that
That's
is
a French bulldog.
that is a chihuahua.
Also, Mom,
Look at it.
there's a reason why these guys
That
don't
is
have
not
eyes.
a cat's tail. Oh my god, y'all. Dummies.
There's a reason why these guys don't have eyes. By the way, it's.
Oh my god,
it's
did you
also
just hear my
wrong.
stomach growl so loud?
Also,
it's
it's not
attacking
accurate
you.
because their eye should be this entire hole.
Alright, let's see if I can. That's kind of pretty. I love the purple one. Purple! Ooh, they're very pretty.
They're glass.
We have a armadillo and a, I forgot how to say rabbit. Burbs. Better hurry this up for you. No talking no more. Then they got this dude right here. I was like, oh, it's Christmas. Yeah, no. That's the country's flag color. Okay, I had to pop a cough drop there, or else we were gonna lose it. Do those do anything?
Yes.
Guessing it does.
Oh, I'm pretty sure it moves. I don't want to play this one.
Okay, there's a 0, and
I want
yeah,
to
there's
fall off.
pumpkins of them. Lots of makeup stuff. Nice.
These are kind of like those over at
And unfortunately, that cool looking thing, it don't work.
This one?
Its mouth kind of lights up, but I think it's out of batteries.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. Oh, can you do the crystal ball?
Nope.
Woo!
Glued it so. Oh wait, there's also this dude.
So just does this for like a while. This cool thing. Oh yeah. I like the tree though. The tree's really cool. It's right there.
I was trying to steal the show. Where?
It's right there where you're grabbing. Nope. On the.
Shush.
It's motion activated, so it's just gonna go. Okay. How about tree?
Oh, I love
you
it.
like the
Christmas
skull
tree.
tree with the bat on top. No
needs
buttons.
batteries.
Aw. Oh no, it's kind of go. You got some throws. Kind of. Where's this tombstone?
Oh god.
Sorry.
Oh, stop laughing.
Oh. All right, let's get my buddy here.
Oh my god, that's scary.
I love these so much. It's always fun trying to guess which song they're going to use for the year. Love it. Love it. Yeah, there's a couple of these are like really motion activated, and that's cool, I guess. Oh, that was a different one. Do it again.
It goes with this one.
Yeah.
Same thing.
That's so cool. Some stupid doll. Oh, do the cat. Don't touch the cat though, because the cat is horrendous to touch.
Thank you.
Looking around, freaking out. What a
that's a
Karen.
big bag of
Anyhow, hey,
Oh,
can you
I
do the
forgot.
dude? I know.
This dude's kind of cool.
It wasn't $50. I
thought it said skeleton rat.
Tombstone.
Presence of spirits all around.
Blinded.
I know. Yeah.
Also love
Don't
the
look into the
skeletons.
deadlights. Then they got some fall stuff. We don't care about fall though. We only care about Halloween. Oh yeah, and then they got this dude down here. Let's get this dude right here.
Oh, this dude.
Shorty.
Shorty.
Well, I gotta get way down here to film it.
Leave some candy for me, or beware of what you see.
I like the face though. It looks really cool. Yeah, the thing's like 3 feet tall. Maybe. Probably. Yeah, and then they got some really pretty masks and other thingies and some more fall stuff. Hi, how you doing?
Sorry.
Yeah, that's a 6-foot flying witch. Well, the witch itself is not 6 feet, I can tell you that. Oh no. The broom is 72 inches tall. I'm just guessing. Alrighty. I think that looks good, you know. They usually have a lot of cool, interesting things. And by the way, everyone, they usually kick their stuff out way before October, so get your stuff on sale.